how to compute the balance and maximum steel area of T-beams using the 2015 NSCP. Hello! Welcome back again to Gilisanya Engineering Videos, your daily supply of solutions to engineering problems. If you like what you see, please subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified every time we upload new videos. Okay, so ito yung pangatlo sa series, no? But I did not call this part 3 kasi medyo iba to, no? If you have watched our series, pangatlo na to. Yung una, we analyzed T-beams, noon yung steel bar. Ang first case doon is the depth of the compression block is less than the slab thickness. The second part naman is the depth of the compression block A is more than the slab thickness. Now, next part, how do we compute the balance and the maximum steel area? Balance steel area. Okay? I know most of you, when you say balance, maalala yung formula na raw balance is equal to 0.85 Fc prime beta 1 times 600 divided by Fy times the quantity 600 plus Fy. Tingnan natin, ha? Okay, sige. Ito yun. Example natin, no? Determine the balance and maximum steel area of the T-beam shown. Given the following data, okay, I just made the Fc prime big, not 34 MPa. Fy is 414. The flange width, effective flange width is 950 mm. The slab thickness is 100. The effective depth is 580 mm. The width of the web is 300. Okay? Sige, let's start. But before that, kunin natin yung beta kasi yung Fc prime natin is lagpas na ng 28 MPa. So since it is more than 28 MPa, your beta 1 is given by the formula 0.85 minus 0.05 over 7 times Fc prime minus 28 MPa. But this should not be less than 0.65. Alright? So the value is 0.8071. So okay yan. Walang problema. No? So we will use that value. Okay? According to the code, it must not be less than 0.65. Okay? So balance tayo. Unahin natin yung balance. Ha? Ano ba yung balance? Okay? Okay. I know, iniisip niyo yung balance na formula, raw balance. Can we apply that? The formula na 0.85 Fc prime beta 1 600 all over Fy times. Okay. Take note, you cannot use that. Hindi pwedeng gamitin yung formula na yon, ha? I hope na you know the derivation of that formula. Alam nyo saan galing yung formula na yun. Magagamit lang yung formula na yun kung rectangular yung ano mo. Rectangular yung concrete mo talaga. Yung beam mo. Ganun. No? B siya. Sorry na dun sa drawing ko, ha? Pasensyahan nyo lang. Okay, ganun lang yan. Pag rectangular yung compression block mo, magagamit mo yung formula na 0.85 Fc prime. Okay. Now, this is a T-beam. We cannot use that. We cannot use that. Actually, pwede sana, provided siguro, pero I don't think it will happen, provided your A will lie within the flange. If this will be the case wherein the balance row is computed and then A will lie here, pwedeng gamitin yon. But I am sure with this, yung A natin, lalagpas siya ng nandito na yan sa web. You cannot use that formula. Ha? So I hope you know that. Okay? If you don't know that, then malas. Okay, so how do we solve that? So we will base it from the principle. Ano ba yung principle ng balance condition? Ano ba yung principle? Di ba? Ang sabi doon na yung stress in tension steel will is just equal to Fy. Alright? Just as the strain in concrete is 0.003. So, pwede natin gamitin. Actually, may formula to. Pero pwede natin gamitin para hindi nadadama yung formula na memorize natin. Okay? Let's use this formula. Fs. Diba? Ito naman yung stress in tension steel. Okay? So, to get the balance, just equate this to Fy. No? Balance yan kung yung Fs mo is just equal to Fy. Alright? So, yan. So, your Fy is 414. So, ilagay mo dyan 414, then makukuha mo yung C. That is already your C balance, 343.2. Actually, may formula yan na hindi ko lang ginamit dito, no? That is 600 times D divided by 600 plus Fy. Ito yung formula. balanced C. Ito yung formula ng balance C. If you know that, then okay, magagamit mo yan. But if you forget that, then I know you will not forget this formula. And you should not forget this formula. Na kung alam mo yan, no problem. Pero pwede mo lang gamitin yan. Recycle na lang tayo para hindi masyado dadamay yung memorizein mong formula. Try nga natin to, ha? Gamitan natin ng calculator. Ito na lang. Okay? Dali, inanap ko yung emulator ko ng, ito na lang. 600 times D, the effective depth is 580 divided by 600 plus FY, 414. Okay? Equals. Okay? And that is, alright, 343.2. Pareho lang yan, ha? Pareho lang yan sila. Okay? So, madali na to. Once we have the value of, erase. Okay. So, we have the value of C, then we can now solve the value of A. The value of A is beta 1C. Your beta 1 is 0.8071. Then, our A is equal to 277 mm. So, again, sure, nandito siya sa web. Nandyan yan. And then, ito yung ating compression block natin. Ito yung A natin. 277.7. And of course, this overhanging flange width here will be 950 minus 300, that's 650, divided by 2, so that's 325 each. The thickness is 100. Okay. Now, yung hinahanap dito, yung area lang. Of course, at balance condition, take note that the steel yields. So, we will use Fy. So, ito yung compressive force natin. Isahin na lang natin. No? Ito naman yung ating tensile force in steel. The compressive force is equal to 0.85 Fc prime times the area of this compression block. Yang total area na yan. Whereas ito naman ay ASFY. Kasi yield naman talaga. Sa balance condition, yield ang steel. Take note. Yield ang steel. Of course, equilibrium tayo. Na? Compressive force equals tensile force. But by the way, kunin natin yung area nitong compression concrete, no? That's equal to 300 by A, 277, plus 325 times 100 times 2. So, ito yung area ng ating compression concrete. Okay? So, finally, tension equals compression. Alright, substitute, ASFY ang tension. Ang compression natin is ito, 0.85 Fc prime AB. Okay, substitute all the values, then we have here the answer. Balance steel area, 10,338 square mm. Did you get that? Okay, again, pinaka-importante, hindi na pwedeng gamitin yung formula na 0.85 Fc prime. Please, tingnan nyo yung derivation ng formula na yun. Later on, I will have a video deriving all the formulas para malaman nyo. Later on, wag nyo lang akong madaliin. Busy din kami sa online review namin. Na? Ito parang commitment ko na lang dito sa lockdown. Tulong ko na lang talaga to. Tulong ko na lang talaga para ano. Anyway, you have wala namang hindi naman kayo pinipilit manood ng video. Ano lang? Extra material lang ito. Na? Ito mas mabilis kaysa sa libro. Pag gawin ko to sa libro, ipiprint pa namin, i-distribute. Ang tagal makadating sa inyo. Ito, dating agad sa inyo. Na? Okay. By the way, hindi ko na lang kumpitin yung moment nito, ha? Kung kumpitin mo yung moment nito, yung nominal moment, pakukuha mo you can get the nominal moment, just as the same, similar to what we did in part 2, and then your reduction factor. Okay, that's my question. Ano yung reduction factor mo dito? What will be your reduction factor here? Na? Okay, take note. According to the code, I will, tinan ko nga kung pwede kong ipakita. Okay, ito. Pakita ko sa inyo. Na? Ito yung nasa code. Sandali. Yung pointer ko, hindi ko ma-point dito. Ito to. Maliit yung pointer ko. Anyway, ito na lang. Can you see that red? Na? So, sabi dito, no? For the net tensile strain of ET less than or equal to the yield strain. Itong part na to. Itong part na to, ha? Tingnan nyo. I hope you can see that small red dot there. This part here. So, yan. that is compression control. No? Ang reduction factor mo is 0.65, less than or equal to the yield strain. If that will be expressed in terms of the stress, that is the tensile stress in steel is less than or equal to Fy. Yan yun. Alright? So, that's it. Okay? So, kaya ang reduction factor dito is 0.65. Okay? So, alright. So, that is our balanced condition. Now, let's have maximum. Let's have the maximum steel area. Ano ba yung maximum steel area? Na? Alam ko, iniisip nyo. Iniisip nyo, 0.75 of AS balance. Okay. No. That is in 2001 and earlier code. But in 2010, 2015, and onward, hindi na ganon. Ito yung nakasulat sa code. I will show that to you. Section 409.3.3 of 2015 NSCP. Reinforcement strain limit non-pre-stressed beams. Sinabi dito, for non-pre-stressed beams with PU, factored axial load less than 10% of FC prime AG, the tension strain ito, E sub T. No? The strain in the extreme tension steel shall be at least. So, ibig sabihin, hindi bababa ng 0.004. No? Strain yan. Now, okay, para makita nyo lang, in 2001, ito yung sa 2001. Sinabi, for flexural members and for members subject to combined flexure and compressive axial load, when the design axial load is the smaller of 0.10%, pareha sila, no? 10% FC prime AG or the balance VPB, the ratio of reinforcement provided shall not exceed 0.75 of the balance reinforcement. That was in 2001. But 2010 and onward, hindi na ganon. Ito na yon. In fact, hindi niya sinabing minimum. No? It is based on stress. Now, if you are using, if your E is 200,000, no? 200,000 times 0.004 is 800 MPa. So the strain corresponding to the stress corresponding to a strain of 0.004 is 800 MPa. Okay, so how will you do that? O kunin natin, gamitin natin yung stress na formula. Ito man yung formula kanina, ginamit natin ito kanina sa balance, no? Ngayon, iset natin to E times strain of 0.004. Ito yun. That will be 800. 200,000 times 0.004 is 800. So with that, makukuha mo yung C. Ang lalabas na C dyan ay, alright, that is equal to 248.6 millimeters. That is your balanced C. Okay? Actually, may formula yan. Ito yung formula dyan. So next time if you encounter this and then you are using 200,000 for your E, ang value ng C balance is 3/7 of the effective depth. 3/7 of the effective depth. So 580 times 3/7 is equal to, the same yan sila, 248.6 mm. So next time, diretso ka na lang sa 3/7. Pinakita ko lang, baka makalimutan mo 3/7, then ito, I know, hindi mo ito makakalimutan. You have to memorize that. The stress in tension steel. Okay. Sige, tuloy tayo. So, kagaya kanina, mayroon na tayong C, then makukuha natin yung A, beta 1C, and that is equal to 200.6, and okay, pareho pa rin kanina. Yung A natin is more than 100. So, the same figure kanina. Yung sinod natin yung maximum steel, yung balance steel kanina. Alright, then meron na tayong A area. Makukuha natin yung area, That's 300 times A plus 325 times 100 times 2. So the area of the compression block is 125,800. So finally, tension equals compression. Okay? So substitute. So this time, it is now AS max. AS max Fy is equal to 0.85 Fc prime times the area of the compression block. Substituting the values, then makukuha natin yung ating AS max. Ang value is 8,739 square mm. Okay? So, i-compare natin, sandali. Tingnan ko yung kanina. I-pause ko muna para diretso na. Okay. Ito yung kanina nakuha natin, no? So kung ginamitan mo yan ng 0.75, kasi if you're using the old code, ito na lang. 0.75 times 10,338, that could have been 7,753. Malayo siya. Yung nakuha natin is 8,000 plus, no? Nakuha natin na value is, okay, jump tayo ha. Okay, yung nakuha natin dito, sagot natin is 8,739. Na? So, 7735 kung ginamit natin yung 0.75. So, hindi na yan applicable ang 0.75, ha? Hindi na applicable. Okay, now, tanong, ano ngayon yung reduction factor nito? Is it 0.9 or 0.65? Hindi, ha? Hindi ito 0.65, hindi ito 0.9. Kasi transition zone to. The strain kasi is 0.004. Diba? Or the stress is 800 MPa. Between Fy and 1,000 MPa, transition zone yan. Okay, so yung phi mo dito, gagamitin mo itong formula na ito. Na? Ayan, yung pinakita ko kanina na ito yung gagamitin mo, transition zone. Ito yon. Itong part na to. I hope you can see this. Ito yan. Pero in this formula, naka-strain siya. Pero ito naman, ito yung stress in tension steel. Ito naman yung yield stress. If I will put that in terms of stress, ito will be 1,000. 0.005 times 200,000. So, ito yung magiging formula niya. No? 800 yung corresponding stress, no? The corresponding to 0.004 na strain, and then yan. Ang value niyan is 0.815. Ganon yan. It's not 0.9 anymore. Okay? So, I hope you learned a lot from this lesson. And please naman, paki-like naman ang video natin kung nagustuhan nyo lang. Pag hindi nyo nagustuhan, huwag nyo na i-like. I-like nyo na lang. Hindi na, wala namang bayad to eh. Like nyo na lang. And paki-share na lang din. Paki-share na lang. Yun na lang yung ano nyo. So, i-share nyo. Walang ano to. Kahit sino, walang piling review center. Hindi kami. Kahit saang review center, you can choose the videos that is fitted to you. Huwag kayong sabihin, hindi man yan maganda, ganon. No? Anyway, compare nyo na lang yung mga videos. No? Open-minded ka lang dapat. Open-minded ka lang. Anyway, lahat naman to nakalagay doon sa code. Pag may mga question kayo, code yung basihan nyo talaga. No? Okay, so I hope you learned a lot from this video. And then, please don't forget to like and to share and to subscribe sa YouTube channel namin. Okay, so thank you so much for watching.